Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. What is the relationship between a photon and Planck's constant? And what is the relationship between a photon and angular momentum? In my next video, I will put forth new ideas about that. This is introduction about this video. Next video. Photon. Does a photon travel in straight line, or can a photon? In definition, can photon travel in a straight line? If it is so, if a photon can move in straight line, what would happen? What will happen to its energy? I will explain in next video this. But I recommend to watch my previous videos about Planck's constant and angular momentum. According to me, and I have computed and I have showed you before, according to my theory and my formulas, Planck's constant is nothing but angular momentum of a photon. Yes, thus this deduction of my theory is so important because in accepted physics theories, a photon goes in straight line. Yes, of course, it can do other type motions, but mainly it travels in a straight line. If it was so, you wouldn't reconcile with Planck's constant, energy, and photon linear motion between the three. You cannot reconcile between the three. I will explain in next video. There are many contradictions inside of physics. As I told you before, a photon is an imaginary, inseparable every point on a motion surface, spherical, ring-shaped surface of electron motion form and its waves. Yes, and in other videos that I will do next, I will put forth relationship between photoelectric effect and angular momentum of photon and its frequency and its consecutive counterparts motions. Yes, there is no a single photon to transfer to you light. There are many photons that line up through you while reaching to you. And do you know there are two different frequencies for photons? Intrinsic real frequency, angular frequency, and this is for a single photon, and for plural photons, photon number frequency, pseudo frequency, or linear frequency of consecutive photon points, effective points on consecutive waves of electron motion form in a certain period, in a certain wavelength. Yes, the story is long. I will go on next. Have a good evening. See you later.